We'll have to bash this with the 2-cell, because the first bash I did in Washington, I only had a nickel hydride. I just got a hold of these 2 cells. And I think the battery at least will last longer with the 2 cells. Like if you want to get your son or your daughter or whoever into the hobby, this is a perfect starter truck and for a relatively cheap price. Like I know that's expensive for like a toy for a kid, but this is a lot better quality than the stuff that you're going to get at Walmart. It is a hobby grade machine, so there's replacement parts all over the place for it. That's the best part. So even if you break the parts are cheap to replace. Traxxas has a ton of support, so there's parts all over the place for this machine, and this machine's been out for a very long time. That's why the Stampede is such a good choice for an entry-level machine. I don't know, there's something fun about just being able to do endless wheelies. A lot of it has to do with the torque and just the way this thing's set up, and it has the motor placed so far back. So you can still pull wheelies in the grass. I think I want to take her down there, see what she can do. Let's see if it can go down this. This is a pretty big hill, you probably can't tell on camera. See if it can go down and back up it. Grass is also very long. And I am on the throttle, I am pinned. Yeah, definitely slowed down quite a bit. It's probably only going like 12, maybe 13. Up the hill, wants to pull a wheelie up the hill. It's that steep of a hill. We have to side hill it. We're side hilling it. But it made it. Celebration wheelie. I love doing that little like spin around. What's that called when you go like, you flip it and go right into a wheelie? I don't know, but it's pretty cool. Oop, got a car coming. I'm interested to know how long this battery will last just bashing around in the grass like this. I'm on the throttle, I am pinned. Let's try going up the steep part again. All that weight's on the rear. Yeah, so this is definitely not a hill climbing machine unless you weigh down the front a lot. Actually, there's some rocks over here. Let's see how she fares on some rocks. And also, it's a pretty decent grade it has to go up to. So loose rocks. All right, on the rocks. Just rear wheel drive, how will she fare? And an open diff, it's an open planetary diff. And as you can see, she's unloading that power. Still crawling a little bit. Let me get on the other side of it. Yeah, you can see that open diff unloading that power. Rock crawling is definitely not this thing's specialty. And tumble. This is just a fun machine though. So far, had a lot of fun with this. Might have to give her a little bit of juice. Like I said, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, kind of the rocks kind of throw the thing wherever it wants to go. All right, I think we're done with the rock action. Surprised I didn't tumble it there. Oh, but there I did. I wanted to see how long of a wheelie I can pull. There. No! See, as soon as it hits that, it's not really hitting, there's no rear bumper, so once it hits that, the body, it's kind of over. There. But now no steering. That was the best one yet. Yeah, the thing doesn't really have any traction when you go in reverse. Ooh, that's the perfect way to start a wheelie off. Go full reverse, right into throttle. Because then you can get the front end up pretty easily. There. Let's see how long we can hold this. Literally, I'm right on. Ooh. That was going well, though. Nope. And we got a car coming. You know what, guys, I think we got a decent bash in, so I'm probably going to go ahead, wrap up this video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Later.